Okay, so hello people. So today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 2402. That is meetings room 3, and in this will be given an integer n, and there will be n rooms numbered from 0 to n minus 1. And also will be given a 2D integer array meetings where meetings of I will be equal to start and end. Meeting that means that meeting will held during the half closed time interval, that is start and end I, and all the values in the start I will be unique. Okay, so what we have to do, meetings are we have to return the number of rooms that held the most meetings, and if there are multiple rooms you can return the room with the lowest number. Okay, so for example in this case we are having like the meetings are from 0 to 10, then 1 to 5, then 2 to 7, and we are having at first initially 2, and that is at max we'll be having 2 rooms that will be numbered from 0 to n minus 1, and that is 0 and 1 room. So at maximum the room that will be used again and again will come out to be the room number 0. Okay, so for that what we'll be doing, will be using a priority queue to check that which room should we be using next. Okay, so first let's just sort the array based on the starting time of it. Arrays dot sort meetings, and we'll be having a b. We have to sort over the basis of the 0th index, b0. Okay, so now let's have a priority queue, that is queue of integer array. Let's call it heap, that is equal to new priority queue tq, and this will be, heap will also be sorted on the basis of the first index that will be adding into this heap. That is, let's say we are having two elements a comma b, then we have to sort it in the basis of a0 minus b0. Okay, so now let's have a room count array. Room count, so that we can keep a track that how many rooms will be having. This will be of size n, and let's have a result array, that is int result, that is, let's say we are currently at the room number 0. So now for int I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, uh, less than n, yeah. And then what I'll be doing, I'll be just adding a new priority queue, that is, let's do sorry, integer array into the priority queue, that is new int of size 0, and I'll be adding I into this. Then what I'll be doing is then I'll be using a for loop again, that for int I equal to int meeting, let's say in meetings. What we'll be doing, we'll be picking up the time 0, that is end time of beginning, that is equal to meeting 0, and then what we'll be checking is that while my heap dot peak and the 0th element of that is less than my current time. Okay, so uh, so yeah, so we'll be adding it, we'll be checking that while my heap, the top element of the heap, is less than the time. And so what I'll be doing is I'll be having my current that is in the top element, that will be equal to, let's do heap dot poll. And also, okay, sorry, I forgot that we need to have add to the heap also new end of size 2, and it will be time and my current heap dot poll and its first index. Okay, and then I'll be popping off the current element from the heap, and then I'll have a variable, let's say current room, that will be equal to my current first index, that will be dependent on that. And let's have a variable meeting end, that will be equal to my current 0 plus my meeting 1 minus my meeting 0. Okay, and then let's just do in the room count array. Room count, I'll be increasing the current room's size, that is current room plus plus going at the current index. I'll be just incrementing that there is one more meeting is going on, and then I'll be checking that if room count, my current room, is greater than my room count of result. I'll be setting my result will be equal to current room. Let's have res only is equal to current room. Else I'll be checking if that my both the rooms are equal. Else if room count of current room is equal to the room count of my result room of where then I'll be storing result will be equal to minimum of my result and the current room. Okay, and now here I'll be adding heap dot add new end of meeting end and my current room. Okay, and at the end let's just return a result. Now let's run it. Okay, it says yeah. Now let's run it. Okay, it says cannot find simple current. Okay, meeting line number 20. Yeah, now let's run it once again. Okay, so it throws me error. Let me just okay, I'll just go through the code once again. I'll be sorting it on the basis of array, and then let's just add here one more condition that if my a0 is equal to b0, and I have to sort it on the basis of my first index a1 minus b1. Else I'll have to just sort it on the basis of my zeroth index minus b0. Now let's run it. Say okay. Oh yeah. Okay, it still throws the error. Let me just check once again that log. And comma heap dot poll one current one count room plus plus in my current room. I'll be setting my result equal to current room. Else I'll be doing minimum of meeting end and current room. Okay, it's fine only then why it's not working. That here I have to add 0 my I. Then okay. Let me just okay, so I found the error that this is again and again working in the while loop, and so this was the error, I guess. Yeah. Now let's just run it. Yeah, it gets accepted. Now let's submit it. Okay, so okay, it's not a big issue. I just think so that the constraints are, yeah, I guess I need to take a log over there. Let's just replace all the ends with log. Okay, so long. Now let's run it. Oh yeah, and here I'll have type percent to end. Yeah. Okay, cannot. Okay, let's obviously end as the results and all. End room count. You long zero and I end item. Oh, okay. Here it's end meet array. The end time. Okay, so end time. And my current will also be, I guess, yeah, long and long. But my current room is of type. Let's just typecast into end and then end meet again will also be of type. Let's do okay. Let's keep it long only. Okay, so and at the end, I'll just here. Yeah, now let's run it. Okay, so it's the yeah, new log. Now let's run it. There's so many errors, I guess. Still, this will not work. Yeah, I knew it. Queue of log heap new priority queue. Says we cannot type input types these. But why it's given a error here over here? I yeah, let's run it. Yeah, and now let's submit it. And it works perfectly fine. Okay, so this is it for today. Thank you for watching.